Hi, friends. Welcome back to our second online math lesson. Today, our lesson is called Exploring Weight, Lesson 4.9 from our Everyday Mathematics math curriculum. Before we can begin, let's be sure we're ready for learning. Let's turn on that thinking brain, the brain that's going to focus and stay on task to do our job, and turn off our distracting brain. Now is not the time to be playing with toys or watching TV. Now is your learning time. Let's see if we're ready. Say eyes watching, ears listening, voices quiet, body still. You look like you're ready. Today you will need your turn and talk partner. Your partner will be there for you when you have to turn and tell them something. But when you hear Miss Murphy say, "Give me 5," you put your partner down and your eyes go back on your screen and your ears are listening and you're ready to hear what I have to say next. I know you're going to do a great job today. Kiss your brain. You're already doing an awesome job. Let's get started, friends. Look at these pictures. Have you seen any of these before? Just thinking. If you have seen one of these before, you will turn and tell your neighbor. If you haven't, you can say, "I don't know." Go ahead and talk to your neighbor. Where have you seen these? Or what do they do? Give me 5. Great job. I heard a London say she has seen this at the doctor's office, and she had to stand on it and they took her weight. And I heard Rain say that her mom has one of these in their house. Very good, friends. If you've never seen one of these before, that's okay. We're going to learn more about weight today. Let's read our objective. Say, I can compare weights. Good job. That's our kindergarten measurement standard 1. We have some big idea questions today, boys and girls. Our first question is, how do you know if two things weigh the same? Our next question is, how do you know if one weighs more than the other? To get a little better understanding of heavy and light, we're going to watch a video. I want you to sing and dance along with me. We're going to wait for this ad to finish and then the video will start. That looks like an exciting toy, doesn't it? Light, a paper is light. Heavy, a chair is heavy. Is light. Like it's light. Heavy. A balloon is light. Is heavy. Tennis ball. Light. Heavy, heavy. Dumbbell is heavy. Light, light. A paper is light. A chair is heavy. Light. A pencil is light. Light. heavy, heavy, light, heavy, heavy. A dumbbell is heavy. Light, light. A paper is light. Heavy, heavy. A chair is heavy. Light, light. A pencil is light. Great job singing that song with me. Now I'm going to introduce you to a new tool. This tool is called a pan balance. Can you say pan balance? Great job! A pan balance helps us understand if something is heavy or light. Something that is heavy on a pan balance is going to go down. Something that is light will go up. Let's look here at our cheeseburger and our group of fruit. Which one is going down? That's right, the fruit. That means the fruit is heavier than the cheeseburger. Let's look here at the orange and the tomato. The tomato is going down, which means it's heavy, and the orange is up, saying that it's light. You can even measure liquids, like this green juice and this red juice. A pan balance can also show if something is the same or equal. Can you say equal? Good job. On this pan balance, they are exactly the same. One's not up and one's not down. They're the same. That means they're equal. And on this pan balance, you can tell that they are also equal or the same. We're going to watch Sid the Science Kid and his friend measure rocks against something else. Remember, if it's heavy, the pan balance goes up. If it's if it's heavy, the pan balance goes down. If it's light, the pan balance goes up. Let's watch. Three was too many. No. Good job. Does it look like they're going to need more copper balances? Yes. Should we add one more? Do those look the same? Let's do one more. Great. Remember, friends, that if something is light, it goes up. If it's heavy, it goes down in the pan balance. And if they're the same, that's called equal. We'll do this first one together. We have to circle the lightest item. If they are the same weight, circle the word equal. Boys and girls, we have a book and a bug. We have to circle the one that's lightest. Is there one that's going up? Turn and tell your neighbor. I heard Rain say that the bug is lighter. How do you know, Rain? That's right. The bug is going up in the pan balance, meaning it's lighter than the book. We'll circle the bug. Now, friends, it's your turn to finish this page. Remember, anytime you see this yellow star, it's your turn. You'll circle the lightest item. If they're the same, you'll circle the word equal. So you're going to do the pencil and the pen and the sock and the backpack. Now we will do another one together. We'll circle the heaviest item. Remember, the heavier item will go down and the lighter item goes up. If they are the same, we circle the word equal. Let's look first at the flower and the apple. Turn and tell your neighbor, which one is heavier? I heard Achilles say that the apple was heavier. Achilles, how do you know the apple is heavier? That's right, Achilles. The apple came down on the pan balance, meaning it's heavier than the flower. We'll circle the apple. Now, friends, it's your turn to do the next two. You will move the circle to circle the item that is heaviest. If they are the same, remember, you will circle the word equal. Remember, these will be for you to do and move the circle after the video is over. All right, friends, let's review our objective. I can compare weights. Were you able to compare the weights on the pan balance? Could you tell which one was heavier and which one was lighter? Could you tell when they were equal? Our big idea questions today were, how do you know if two things weigh the same? I want you to turn and tell your neighbor, how do you know? I heard Daniel say that if two things weigh the same, they are equal on the pan balance. One isn't up and one isn't down. They're the same. Our next big idea question was, how do you know if one weighs more than the other? Turn and tell your neighbor, how do you know if one is heavier than the other? I heard Zing say that if something is heavier on the pan balance, it goes down, and the lighter one goes up. That's how you know it's heavier. You will answer these questions here in these boxes. If you can't type out your response, ask someone around you for help. Friends, we are now at the end of our second math lesson already. Don't forget that you'll still need to do Green Waterford for about 15 to 20 minutes. And when you're all done, you'll need to submit your work with a Google slide. If you need help, make sure you get on a Google Meet with me so I can help you. Bye, friends. See you next time.